Do you want to maximize your earnings with online surveys? Welcome to the incredible world of online surveys, a realm that offers a unique combination of flexibility, convenience, and financial rewards. Just imagine sitting comfortably at home, sipping your favorite cup of coffee and earning money. How? By simply sharing your opinions? Yes, you heard that right. Your opinions have value, and companies are willing to pay for them. Online surveys are not a new phenomenon. They have been around for a while, serving as a critical tool for companies to gather consumer feedback. But what's relatively new is the potential of these surveys as a source of income. It's not about making a few extra bucks anymore. It's about a substantial income that could significantly improve your financial situation. Now let's talk numbers. How much can you realistically earn from online surveys? Well, it varies. But with the right strategy, you could earn up to $3,500 monthly. That's right, $3,500 every month, just for sharing your thoughts on different products and services. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's the power of online surveys, but there's more to it. Online surveys are not just about the money, they're about flexibility. They're about the freedom to work from anywhere at any time. They're about being your own boss. No more 9-to-5 grind, no more stressful commutes, no more juggling work and family life. With online surveys, you set your own schedule. You decide when you want to work and for how long. You're in control. So why not give online surveys a try? They offer a unique opportunity to make money on your own terms. And who knows, they might just be the solution you've been looking for to supplement your income, pay off debts, save for a vacation, or even build a nest egg for the future. Imagine having an additional $3,500 every month just by sharing your opinions online. So, where do you start? The first step is choosing the right survey platforms. Let's cut to the chase. Not all survey platforms are created equal. Some are reputable, offering legitimate opportunities to earn, while others may be scams waiting to waste your time. It's crucial to discern between the two. You might be wondering, how do I do that? Well, a good starting point is to look for reviews and ratings. A platform with positive feedback from numerous users is typically a safe bet. Also, consider the age of the platform. Longevity in this industry is a good sign, as scam sites don't typically last long. Now let's talk about privacy. Legitimate survey sites will have clear privacy policies in place and won't ask for unnecessary personal information. If a site is asking for your credit card details or social security number, steer clear. That's a red flag. Next, consider the types of rewards offered. Different platforms offer different types of rewards, from cash to gift cards to sweepstakes entries. What works best for you will depend on your personal preferences. If you're after cash, look for platforms that offer this directly, often via a PayPal payout. If you're a fan of a particular retailer, seek out platforms that offer gift cards for that store. Some platforms also offer tiered reward systems, where the more surveys you complete, the higher your rewards. This can be a great way to maximize your earnings. However, don't be lured in by high payouts for individual surveys. These can often be time-consuming and not worth the effort. Balance is key. Lastly, remember that consistency is key in this game. The more surveys you complete, the more you earn. So, choose platforms that regularly offer a good number of surveys. In essence, choosing the right platform is about research, understanding what rewards work best for you, and being consistent in your efforts. Choosing the right platform is the first step towards maximizing your earnings. Now that you've selected your platform, let's discuss how to maximize your earnings. First and foremost, don't limit yourself to just one survey site. The more sites you sign up for, the more opportunities you have to earn. Think of it this way, it's like fishing with multiple lines in the water instead of just one. But remember, always be selective with the sites you choose, as we discussed in the previous scene. Next, make completing surveys a regular part of your day, like brushing your teeth or making your morning coffee. The more consistent you are, the more surveys you'll complete, and the more you'll earn. Sure, each survey might only bring in a small amount, but remember, every drop in the bucket counts. Over time, these small amounts can accumulate into a significant income. Now here's a tip that could really boost your earnings. Take advantage of referral programs. Many survey sites offer bonuses for referring others to their platform. So why not share the love? Tell your friends, your family, your social media followers about your online survey journey. Not only will they have the chance to earn some extra cash, but you'll also reap the benefits of the referral bonuses. But let's be clear, Earning a substantial income from online surveys isn't a walk in the park. It requires dedication, patience, and a bit of strategy. It's not about trying to strike it rich overnight. Instead, it's about steadily building your earnings over time, one survey at a time. And remember, always be honest when completing surveys. It can be tempting to speed through them or provide inaccurate responses, but honesty is always the best policy. Not only does it maintain the integrity of the research, but it also ensures that you remain a valued participant on the survey platform. With these tips, you're on your way to earning more from online surveys. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and every dollar earned begins with a single survey. So go ahead, take that first step, complete that first survey, and start maximizing your earnings today. As you embark on this journey, be aware of common mistakes that could slow down your progress. Now, while online surveys can offer a lucrative way to supplement your income, there are pitfalls to avoid. Let's dive into some of the most common mistakes people make and how to steer clear of them. One of the most prevalent errors is disqualifying oneself from surveys. This often happens when people rush through the screening process without understanding the questions, leading to inconsistencies in their profiles. The result? They miss out on a plethora of opportunities. The solution is simple: take your time. Understand the questions and answer them honestly. This will ensure you qualify for the surveys that are most relevant to you. Another common mistake is providing inconsistent answers. Remember, survey platforms use sophisticated algorithms to detect inconsistencies. If you're inconsistent, you risk being flagged and subsequently disqualified. So always strive for honesty and consistency in your responses. Then, there's the mistake of not cashing out rewards in a timely manner. Sometimes, people get so caught up in accumulating points that they forget to redeem them. This can be a costly mistake. Why, you ask? Because some platforms have expiration dates on their rewards. Therefore, regularly check your account and cash out your rewards as soon as you reach the minimum payout. This way, you don't lose out on any hard-earned money. Also, remember to avoid the temptation of multitasking while taking surveys. This can lead to errors and inconsistencies, which, as we've discussed, can lead to disqualifications. Instead, treat each survey with the attention it deserves, and you'll see the rewards roll in. Lastly, don't fall into the trap of thinking all survey platforms are created equal. They're not. Some offer higher payouts and better rewards than others. So do your research and choose wisely. Avoiding these mistakes can help ensure your success in earning from online surveys. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be well on your way to maximizing your earnings. Now, let's recap and discuss the next steps in your online survey journey. Let's recap what we've learned about maximizing your earnings with online surveys. We started by discussing the potential of online surveys. We learned how they can be a great way to earn extra income from the comfort of your own home or on the go. And we talked about how, with the right approach, you can potentially earn up to $3,500 a month just by sharing your opinions. Next, we dove into the importance of choosing the right survey platforms. Remember, not all platforms are created equal. Some offer better rewards and more opportunities than others. It's crucial to do your research, read reviews, and understand the payment structure before you sign up. You want to ensure you're investing your time wisely. Then we moved on to maximizing your survey earnings. We discussed several strategies like joining multiple platforms, completing surveys consistently, and taking advantage of referral programs. Remember, consistency is key. The more surveys you complete, the more you can earn. We also touched on common mistakes to avoid. We discussed how important it is to avoid rushing through surveys, providing dishonest answers, or signing up for too many platforms at once. These mistakes can limit your earning potential, and in some cases, lead to account suspension. We've covered a lot of ground today, but the most important takeaway is this. Online surveys can be a profitable side hustle, but like any venture, they require time, effort, and strategic planning. You've got the tools and the knowledge now. You understand the potential, you know how to choose the right platforms, you've learned how to maximize your earnings, and you're aware of the pitfalls to avoid. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge to maximize your earnings with online surveys. Take the first step today and start earning.